Hi, Ray Solo here. A song for those who believe that a solo act cannot get a big sound and that Ray Solo only does baby boomer aged care concerts. Have a listen. Met a gentle barroom queen in Memphis. She tried to take me upstairs for a ride. She had to sleep me right across the shoulder, and then she blew my nose, she blew my mind. She's a honky tonk woman. Give me, give me, give me the honky tonk blues. I laid a divorcee in New York City, but I had to put up some kind of fight. The lady, she covered me with roses, and then she wrote on me all night. The honky tonk women. Give me, give me, give me, give me, give me honky tonk blues. It's the honky tonk women. Give me, give me, give me, give me, give me honky tonk blues.